Good morning, class. Today, in this lecture, this is lecture number 1, we will discuss the chapter number 3, negative numbers and integers. So, let us start with negative numbers and integers. Okay, start with the concept of number line first of all. Okay, this is a number line. Let this is 0. So, on the left of 0, all the numbers are known as negative number, and right of the 0 number are known as positive number. Negative number and positive number. In this lecture, we will discuss about the negative number. Negative number, like here positive number 1, 2, 3. Now here is -1, -2, -3, -4, up to the -10, then -100, -1000, -1 lakh, and whatever the limit. There is no limit of number. Then we can write all the number which are in positive. We can write a negative sign. We can write the number with negative sign as in the positive. Then we can move towards a very important concept, that is the comparison between numbers. Whenever we compare two positive numbers like 0, 1, and we have a number 5, then we know 5 is more than 1. 5 is more than 1. But when we compare two negative number, like this is -1, and we can compare it with -3. If you want to compare -3 and -1, then you have to remember that negative of a number, like if you have 3 greater than 1, here 3 is greater than 1. If you put negative sign in the number, then we have to change the sign of greater or less than. Okay, like this. Then the negative of smaller number is always greater than negative of the bigger number. Like this, if you want to compare these two numbers, 5 is greater than 5. And if you want to compare -3 and -5, then negative of the smaller number, like -3, is greater than negative of the bigger number. You have to remember always these two things. Okay, for the comparison, the -3, that is the negative of smaller number, is always greater than negative of the bigger number. Here greater number, here this is lesser number. Okay, so this is very important for the comparison of two number, that negative of a smaller number is always greater than negative of any bigger number than that given number. Okay, then we have absolute value of number. Absolute value is written as numerical part of the number. Like if we have two numbers, for example first and second, if you have two numbers -15 and 13, then the absolute value of -15 is 15 and absolute value of 13 is 13. So we have to write down only the number for absolute value. Okay, this is very simple. We will start with exercise 3a. True false. Question number first. A part, 0 is not an integer as it is neither positive nor negative. Okay, in the number line, the negative integer in the left side of the 0 and positive number in the right side. So 0 is neither positive nor the negative integer. Second part, -2 is to the left of -5. 0, -1, then -2, -3, -4, and -5. Question is -2 is to the left of -5. So this is false statement, because -2 lies right of the -5. Okay. Third, all the whole number are integers. 0 is a whole number, but this is not an integer, so false statement. Fourth part, I had discussed about this. 12 is greater than 7. Given that minus 12 is greater than minus 1. No. Wrong. Because negative of the bigger number is always smaller. So right equation is this. Okay. Next, fifth one is all the set of integers are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order? No. First, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. So first the arrangement is like this. But in the given arrangement is this. So this is wrong. So this is false statement. Now we have to move to question number second. The greatest negative integer. The greatest negative integer. Greatest negative integer start with this. So greatest negative integer is minus 1. Because all the negative integer on the left side of minus 1 are always less than the minus 1. So minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Second, the opposite of winning by a margin of 400 vote is okay. Second part, the opposite of winning by a margin of 400 vote is similar to the losing by, or opposite of that is the losing by a margin of 400 vote. Third part, very simple, you have to do by yourself. Okay, fourth part, number of even integer lying between minus 11 and 5. Fourth part, number of even integer, count all this, minus 10, minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. So all are 8. Okay. Last part, the dash value of minus 16 and 16 is the same, absolute value. Okay. Question number third, write the opposite of the following. 50 kilometer south, north south. This is south, so opposite of that is 50 kilometer in north. 50 kilometer south is this, so 50 kilometer north is the opposite. Similarly, you have to do all the part in your fair copy. Question number third. Move to question number 4. Write an integer to name the number in the given sentence. The elevator is 2 floors below the street level. Let the elevator is 2 floors below the street level. Let the street level in ground and it is assumed to be 0 level. So if we have to give the number for 2 floor below, so for 2 floor below, like this is first, this is second. If it is 0, then minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 2 is your answer. Second, the temperature is 40 degree above 0. 40 degree above 0 means plus 40 degree Celsius. Third, moving 8 step backward, like forward and backward. So minus 40. Sorry, 8 step, minus 8. Minus 8. Fourth part, a loss of 160. Loss of 160, that is minus 160. Rupees minus 160 or minus rupees 160. 25 seconds after the lift off. 25 seconds after means plus 25. Before minus 25, after is plus 25. Okay. Move to fifth question. Question number 5. Very simple question. You have to write down the opposite of minus 20, that is 311 minus 311. Okay. Question number 6. Mark the following integer on number line. Again, very simple question. First part, minus 7. 0. You have to write down all these in a single number line. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 0. Then minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is minus 7. 3, minus 5. Minus 5 is this. Then last one is minus 10. Minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. Okay. You have to write. Next, move to 7th question. Write all integer between minus 5 and 2. you have to write down integer between -5 and 2. -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay. 0. 0 is integer or not? All integer. If you want to write down the integer between, then we have to add 0 as an integer. Okay. But if the question is 0 is a even integer or positive integer or negative integer, then the answer is false. 0 is neither negative or nor a positive integer, but 0 is an integer. Next, second part, third part and fourth part are your homework. Eighth question, very simple question. You have to do this question in your rough copy. Ninth, arrangement. Again, arrangement is very simple. In question number 9 and 10, you have to arrange the question in ascending and descending order. Okay, either increasing or decreasing order. Question number 9, ascending order. So first you have to write down the smallest number, that is -20, -16, -7, 2, 4, 10. Okay, again this is so -321, then -231, -132, then 123, 132, 213. Now in question number 10, we have to arrange in descending order. So we have to write down first the greatest number, that is 10, then 3, 0, -2, -4, -6. In this first 8, 0, then -23, -29, -32, -46. Similarly, you have to do question number 9 first part and third part, and question number 10 second part and fourth part in your fair copy. Okay, you have to note down. Question number 11, using a number line, write the integer which is 6 more than -11. First part, 6 more than -11. -11 से 6 ज़्यादा. So -11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so -5 is the answer. Next question is 4 less than -2. -2 is here and 4 less than -2. So if you have to lesser than, or you have to find out lesser than -2, then you have to move towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 3, 4, 5 and 6. -6 is our answer. Third part, 5 less than -4. 5 less than -4. -4, if this is 0. So -4, 5 less than -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is -9. Next, last part, 3 more than -8. Here is -8, 3 more than. So 1, 2, 3. So -5 is our answer. Next, the last question is, write the value of each of the following. We have to find out the absolute value of in each of the part. Okay, -8, mod -8. This is known as mod. So value is 8. First part. Second, 21. Third is important because minus is outside of the mod. So we have to find out this value as -15. First we have to write mod of 15, that is 15, then minus. Fifth part, -4 plus 4. -4, mod of -4 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Seventh part, 16 minus 4 mod. 16 minus 4 divided by mod of 3. That is 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 divided by 3. Answer is 4. Similarly, you have to do other part. Okay, thank you so much for this. In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss exercise 3B.